안녕하세요. Hello K-friends. Today I would like to show you how to make tteokbokki using leftover sliced rice cakes from my fridge. These thinner rice cakes cook quickly, absorb the sauce well, and taste amazing. Let's get started. This is tteokguk-tteok, thinly sliced rice cakes traditionally used in Korean rice cake soup. If the rice cakes feel hard, just soak them in cold water for 30 minutes before cooking. It will help them soften up and cook much faster. Now let's move on to preparing the ingredients. For the protein, if you have beef in your fridge, slice it thinly. Adding protein makes the dish more filling and satisfying. But if you don't have beef, don't worry, you can skip it or use fish cakes instead. Slice some carrots into thin strips and chop about 5 green onions. You can always use vegetables you already have at home, like a cabbage or onions. Now let's make the sauce. In a mixing bowl, combine 1 tablespoon of soy sauce, 1 tablespoon of oyster sauce, or an extra tablespoon of soy sauce if unavailable, 1 tablespoon of sugar, and 2 tablespoons of corn syrup, 1 teaspoon of minced garlic, 1 tablespoon of red pepper powder, 1 tablespoon of red pepper paste, gochujang, 2 pinches of black pepper, and 2 tablespoons of cooking wine. This is optional. Mix everything well. Start by preheating a pan and adding 1 tablespoon of cooking oil. Once the pan is hot, put the sliced green onions and stir fry them until they smell nice and fragrant. Next, pour in the sauce you just made and stir fry it together with the green onions. Stir frying the sauce like this brings out richer and deeper flavor. It's a small step that makes a big difference. Once the sauce is bubbling, add 1 cup of water and bring it to a boil. If you want the sauce to be thinner, you can add a little more water. When the sauce is boiling, add the thinly sliced beef and carrots. And then add the tteokguk-tteok. Lower the heat to medium and let the rice cakes simmer in the sauce. This gives them time to absorb all the flavor and become softer and tender. And there you have it. Once the sauce has thickened and the rice cakes are perfectly cooked, your tteokbokki is ready to serve. Transfer it to a dish, and for a little extra something, you can add a boiled egg or sprinkle some sesame seeds on top. Savory and delicious homemade tteokbokki is done. How was today's recipe? It's simple, quick, and filling. I hope you give it a try. I'll see you next time. 감사합니다. 안녕히 계세요. Bye bye.